Noble sirs and masters, that your judgment, Tonis, is worthy to be numbered among the chivalry, prowess, loyalty, and courtesy. Tonis, right mindful of your prowess in the field, in response to the wishes of your peers, we are minded to make you knight. Know that to wear the belt and chain of a knight is to hold the sacred trust. The obligations of the knighthood demand your efforts every moment of your life. The knight of the society must respect all religions, never offending the faith of another. The knight must respect all those who are weak or defenseless, whether because of age, infirmity, poverty, or vow, and be steadfast in defending them. The knight must love their kingdom, fulfill most faithfully their feudal duty to their baron and their sovereign. Their word must be dependable beyond the doubt and question. They must never flee from the face of their foes. They must be generous to all, always, everywhere. They must be the champion of the right and the good. The laws of the society and the customs of the kingdom require that the knight must be proud, which you have demonstrated upon the field. The knight must be courteous, which you have shown yourself to be. And these nobles test. And that a knight must be loyal to the kingdom and the society. You desire to accept the burden of knighthood and swear fealty to the crown.
I do.
I understand there's a final business to be conducted before you take the reins.
Known as Heinrich Sinister of the West Kingdom. I am squire to Duke Matthias von Levenberg, who is squire to Duke Mark von Neumann, who is squire to Duke Trelawn of the Woods, who is squire to Viscount Valgwin de Lyonesse of the West Kingdom, a noble and great lineage. Tonis is my squire brother. He has been my squire brother, even though many years ago, when he became a laurel, he and Matthias decided he needed to be his own man, not in fealty. He never stopped being my squire brother. This belt is the one I wore for nearly 25 years before I was recognized. Matthias, look, we have known you since we were the youngest of squires. He was proud of you. We talked about you often. He saw this day, maybe not in so many words, but he knew that you would do this. And he hoped to be here. He is here. I'm so proud of you. I'm proud of you. And to not only call you my squire brother, but you call him my brother knight.
I here swear fealty and do homage to the crown of the Middle Kingdom, to ever be a good knight and true, reverent and generous, shield of the weak, obedient to my liege lord, foremost in battle, courteous at all times, champion of the right and the good. Thus swear I, Tonis van Driele.
History here shall never forget to be your liege lord, rewarding fealty with love, valor with honor, and hope-bringing vengeful injustice. Is there a belt?
That lineage of which I just spoke is partially engraved upon this belt. Many great names are upon this belt, and your name will now be added to it.
Is there another belt?
There is, Your Majesty. Greetings, all gathered on this glorious day. I present this belt. It was my knights before mine. Johannes Bruchenheim is a laurel in the night. I am Domingo de la Vega, a laurel in the night, as well as a master of defense. With this lineage, this belt should go to another laurel knight. Tonis is that knight. I find him fitting to be elevated, and I am happy to call him brother. He will know when to pass it on, as we are mortal, and our regalia serves as an inspiration to those that follow. It is not new, it is warm and supple. It has seen many wars: Pennsic War, Estrella War, Great Western War, Gulf War, Lily's War, just to name a few. Let it see many more.
Is there a chain?
Where's your Majesty?
Before he gets here, is there more? Where this chains?
First, I must say, I've heard a whole thesaurus about his different virtues, and all of them are true. And from my experience, all three are actually all of them. So, first, I must say that Duke Matthias area, but we're talking it out. But it may take me a minute to catch my breath. Second thing is, over the years I found that many things under my eyes and I can't see the damn thing anymore, so I have to get my glasses. I will now address this. To your Majesty's Midrealm, gather chivalry and populace. The Sir Connell sent good dream. I send these words and this chain in memory of Duke Matthias von Driele, gone from us this past years. Matthias was my brother, and in his stead, I present this chain crafted in silver, bronze, and copper by the hand of Duke Arthur of Aiden, and moved by he's going to please many on here. This chain is the fealty bond between knight and crown. The weight of it to be a reminder of your oaths, knowingly that each link bond together is strong as you are bond to the crown. Know that Matthias would have been proud of you. Link with him and your oaths. Put this around your neck and know that Matthias is looking down upon you. Go forward. By my hand on this 59th year of the society, you remain as always, Connell Ian Cabbage, Knight Center Reg, Master of the Pelican, and there.
Are there spurs? These spurs as an outward token of your station. I should have a sword. Is there a sword? Bear this sword, strength, disposing, opposing your heart and goodness, but you can never use it to injure anyone unjustly. You will always use it to defend the just and the right. Tonis has justly been dubbed as the sword of his late knight, Matthias.
At this time, please prepare for the consensual buffet.
Normally a knight receives a slap from the king. I would never damage the instrument in which this man makes a living or entertains us.
Hear now the word of Ivan, king by right of arms of the Middle Kingdom, and our courteous Queen Catalina. This is Tonis van Driele, leal subject of our realm. Those who do not know him are made better for being acquainted with him. His demeanor calm and attitude sweet. It takes a mere 6 minutes to see his gracious manner bespeaks the courtesy with which he treats both friend and stranger. His fortitude and humility are quiet companions as he dedicates his hours to aiding those around him, be it a strong arm to support an elder, giving counsel, or scrubbing floors. His generous nobility evident in his hospitality, welcoming any and all to his fire, its warmth matched only by that of his own compassion. His prowess on the field, having been honed over many years, is not merely powerful swing and deft repulsed, but the honor to accept a palpable hit and the sanguine camaraderie he builds among his fellow combatants as they repel the enemy from the tower. A warrior may retreat, he does not flee. He may lie in ambush, he does not hide. He may experience victory or defeat, he does not cease to serve. Therefore, in consideration of goodly virtues on and off the field of battle, we do hereby recognize him as a knight of the society, a peer of our realm, and a member of the Order of Chivalry.
Huzzah!
I've got a small piece of that, and if you want, I can do it again. Let this be the last blow.
Now, good night.